If you want to operate business in Ghana here, you need to register the business officially. You understand? In the government department. And these are the two places you can register your business. Number one is the Registered General Department. The Registered General Department. And number two, Ghana Revenue Authority. You understand? They make your business trusted and official. There's your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. If you come across my videos, make sure you share it, like, comment for others to benefit. You understand? I'm on a mission. If you're a beginner, Baba, and you want to set up your shop, follow me for more tips. I have done a full video. You can join my YouTube channel, join my YouTube, my TikTok, join my, what do you call it? All social media platform, Fresh VGA. Just search me, join me, and let's all learn. If you're about to open a barbering shop, make sure you make a simple business plan for yourself. Simple business plan. Simple business plan means what? Setup cost. Let's say you want to open a shop, you need to know the cost. You understand? Setup cost. 2, monthly rent. How much am I going to pay monthly? It's also very, very important. You understand? And then number 3, equipment cost. I'll buy maybe, let's say, 5 clippers. I'll buy maybe 2 trimmers. Maybe this, maybe that, maybe this. You need to know the cost before you go into it. Very, very important. Staff salary. How much am I going to pay my staff? Maybe I'll pay them 200, 300, or 500. You need to know this. You need to, make sure that you dot this down before you go into it. And then expected daily income. Here is the very, very important point. Daily income plays a major role. If you're about to open a business, you need to make all this setup. It's like, okay, daily cry at least. Let me make like, let's say 200-300. It's okay. You understand? So if you're about to set up a business, these things are very, very important to know before we go into it. Get this location for your business. If you want to open a shop, this location is very, very important. This type of location is very, very important. Number one, busy roadside. Busy roadside. You can see that day, every day in a day, people are passing there. You understand? Near school or office also plays a major role. You understand? Market areas too is good. Residential community. Sometimes if you come to Accra like this, East Legon, Trasaco, big places, that place, if you get chance to open your shop there, you're gonna make money. You understand? So this location is very, very important. If you want to open shop, consider these things. A clear step-by-step guide to set up a successful barbering shop. Wherever you find yourself, if it is your dream to set up a barbering shop, this steps is going to help you to have knowledge about the business you're about to go in. You understand? Step 1, let's go straight. Create a clear vision. Clear vision means decide your shop name. Like me, like this, Fresh V Grooming Salon. You can decide Kojo Grooming, Kojo Salon, Kojo Barbering Shop. You understand? It's all good. You get it. Get a clear name for your business. Step 2, make a simple business plan. Don't. Sometimes if you're about to open a shop, you don't know how it's gonna go. So write down the things that you need to buy. I'm talking about the setup cost, monthly rent, equipment, staff salary, and you understand expected daily income. So these are some of the things that you need to dot it down before you go into the barbering shop. It's very, very important. Don't just stand up, carry money, go and put in without knowing the prices of the items that you are going to use inside your shop. You understand? Step 3, get a good location. Location, I always tell you guys that location plays a major role when it comes to setting up a barbering shop or any business. You understand? When it comes to setting up a business, the location plays a major role. You can decide by bus stop, near school, office, market area, residential community. You understand? All these places, okay. You understand? So then you make sure that there is electricity, water supply, enough, chairs, and minimum of, get it. Yeah, it's very, very important. That is step 3. Let's go to step 4. Register your business. You understand? I have my business certificate that qualifies me to operate a barbering shop in Accra or in Ghana here. So you need to get it for yourself. You go to Register General Department or Ghana Revenue Authority for your TIN number or whatever. You understand? Make sure you register the business. Let it be legal. You understand? Don't do it illegal, because if you open a business without registering the business into the government department, talking about the Register General Department, Ghana Revenue Authority for PIN, your TIN number or whatever, and you go straight to open a shop without these things, the government can disturb you. You understand? The tax force can disturb you. Step 5, buy essential equipment. When you're talking about essential equipment, professional clippers like wire, eddies, you understand, trimmers, barber chairs, big mirror, awaiting chairs, sanitizer, what do you call it, sterilizers, towel warmers, aprons, ring lights, and for the content, TV, sound system, and operation, you need to get all these things in your shop. So it's very, very important. Let's go to step 6. Design your shop. You cannot just stand up and go and open a shop like that. You need to design the shop in a way that if people see, if people are passing, they will recognize your shop, that this shop is a nice. So good lighting plays a major role. We have some people, when they open shop, you go in and there is one bulb or two bulb. No, make sure that the lighting system is okay. It's very, very important. You understand? Nice wall art. Barbering shop is an art. Barbering itself is an art. So if you are opening a barbering shop, make sure the places you see my background. This is my shop. You can see there are different colors. Artwork and those stuff. You understand? So it's okay. I say a barbering shop, those stuff is okay. You get it? It's okay. So let me show you guys something here. As you guys can see, you see, yes, I placed a lot of things, as you guys can see. So that's it. So if you are opening a shop, a barbering shop, these things are very, very important. Let's go to step 7. Step 7, high skills barbers. If you are employing a barbers to work in your shop, make sure you hire a skills barber, those who have experience, those who are good in their work. You understand? If you don't get those kind of people, it means your business is going to be like this. It's going to be hard for you to achieve your dreams. But if you hire them, even if it is high price and they are delivering a quality service, you are going to, overcome your expenditure. Yeah, that's it. So choose disciplined barbers, agree on commission 50-50 or 60-40. You understand? You need to make that arrangement with them. Like, okay, let's do it 50-40, 50-50. Then that is there. So let's move to step 8. Step 8, set your prices. Prices is very, very important. You understand? So once you're able to manage to set up a nice shop, everything okay, the prices, don't just go straight to place a high prices on the salon when you begin. As a beginner, you can begin, let's say, you can put a 2 years, 3 years plan for that. Let's say, okay, I will take 50 cities, but I'll start from, let's say, 30 cities. Then I go to 35, 40, then I go to 45, then I go to 50. Do it step by step so that people will, able to come to your shop. You understand? It's very, very important. Step 9, promote your shop. Promote your shop. You need to have social media platforms. Get closer to influencers, public figures, to advertise your business for you. Do promotion, ask happy client reference, to loyal customers and those stuff. Is very, very important. Those stuff. Let's go to step 10. Keep it clean and professional. Keep it clean and professional. Be punctual as a professional barber or as a professional business. You need to always be available. Dress clean. Respect clients. Play good music in your shop. You can't be playing any kind of. Let's say someone comes to my shop and I'm playing like um a funeral song, or maybe I'm playing, a song. You need to play good song that will suit everybody. Anybody, whether the person is old, the person whatever. If the person come in, you will like the song. Understand? So it's very, very, and be punctual. Most of the barbers, when they open business today, they are there. Tomorrow they are not there. Today they open. Tomorrow they are not opening. If you do that, you're going to collapse the business. It's very, very important. Let's go to step number 11. Bonuses tips important. Bonuses tips is very, very important. Make sure that you are setting up a bonuses tips for both clients and workers. It helps draw a lot of customers to your shop. Understand? This is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. Please, if you come across this video, make sure you share, you work to the end, and you like, you share, you comment. You understand? This is your number one hairstylist from West Africa. What is essential equipment in the barbering industry? As a professional barber, you need to know this. You understand? But I'm doing this video purposely for those who want to open a barbering shop. You understand? These are essential equipment that you need When we say something is essential, it means without this, you cannot do anything about what you want to do. You understand? So they are essential. So let me take you step by step through all so that you will know if you're about to open a barbering shop. Number one, professional clippers. Professional clippers is very, very important. Number two, trimmers. You understand? Trimmers also plays a major role. Number three, barbering chairs. Number four, big mirrors. You understand? You need big mirrors. Number five, waiting chairs for clients, waiting chairs for customers. It's very, very important. That is number five. Number six, sterilizer machine, the one you keep the clippers inside. That is number seven. Number eight, towels, the one that after barbering your client, let's say you wash your client hair, you use the towel to clean, it's very, very important. That is number seven. Number nine, number eight. Number nine, that is number eight. Apron. Aprons also plays a major role. The one we put it on their neck, client neck, and bab on it. That is the apron. That is called apron. Number nine, ring lights for content. Yeah, you need to have ring light. That is the one I'm using. As you guys can see, the picture is very clear. I'm using ring light. You understand? So that's it. And lastly, TV sound system, optional but attractive. You understand? These things are optional, but it's very, very attractive. Because if the customers are waiting, they need to get something to be watching. You understand? It is very, very important. You need to listen to good music. So it's very, very important. Start small, but buy quality tools. Start small, buy quality tools. So these are the essential, things you need when you're about to open a barbering shop. This is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. Do a follow me, share for others to benefit.
Uni Ghana, how are you? Ah, I never do.